Here's the opening range recap for the month of January 2023. Sorry for the lack of updates. I went on vacation. I still did the statistics, still be doing some of the trading, etc. But I just haven't done the daily videos. I won't be doing the daily videos. I might do weekly videos, for sure monthly videos. And again, if you'd like this system, just drop me an email and I'll send it to you. But here are the statistics for the month of January. We're going to go over the Dow first. Dow was plus 86 points. You can see the dates that were traded. Actually 19, 19, and 19. And if you go on January 13th, the reason that's red is because the first trade first pivot hit for the Dow missed by 2 ticks. So since it missed by 2 ticks, officially pivot 2 is a trade, and it was a win, and it was worth 29 points. So officially that is correct. However, when it just misses by a little bit like that, to me it's already completed, quote unquote. So I'm very gun shy about those particular trades. Did work out here, but those are the numbers for the Dow. S&P just had one trade on the 26th, which was a win for 2.25 points. Now the NQ is where it becomes a mess. This one was fine, 1575. This one was fine, 1150. And this one was fine, 675. So those are all fine. The 23rd, and this is the issue with the system, or the trade idea is it does very well, but you got to avoid the big one day can wipe you out large. So we're going to dive into the 23rd here a little bit and just kind of explain why it's such a mess here. But obviously that total here of 34 points doesn't include this mess, which I'll get to here. So this is trade 1 here. This is the time, which is 9:46, and where the pivot was and so forth. So the first column here where the W, that's a 25%. So won the 25%, lost the 50%. So that was a loss. Then we go here, and we lost the 50% here as well. So this would be your first 50% most safe entry, which was a loss. So you would double up here. And in this particular case, it needed 21 points. It got 15 out of the 21. And if it would have got to 21, you would have broke even, and that was a break even. So if you wanted to, you had an additional trade here. And in this case, it missed it by 2 ticks. So it needs to go up 21 points. It went up 20 and a half points. So it missed the officially by 2 ticks. Otherwise you would have broke even on the entire thing, but officially it lost, so you'd have to wait all the way until 120 in order to finally get that win. So depends again how you traded that particular way. NASDAQ tends to be the one that's going to burn you the most. It has potential to make you the most, but it has potential to burn you the most as well, especially if things get you have a smallish opening range. This one wasn't too bad, but you have a smallish opening range, and then things just kind of cascade. And usually the downside is going to be your problems versus the upside. But in this case, it was ugly. The 25% would have been a most safe entry here. You won here, so you broke even on that. So that wasn't your problem. It was the 50% that was your problem, which is what we talked about here. So, outside of that one day, nice. But again, it's all about avoiding that one day. So however you do your money management and so forth, or pick and choose, cherry pick, do it that way. But I'll have an update for you. There's only been 3 trades as of this recording. There's only been in mid-February, there's only been 3 entries for the opening range trade idea, and they have all been winners. NASDAQ one on the 8th and the 14th for a total of just under 30 points total, and then Dow is up 28. So the S&P hasn't had any trades as of this recording, but I'll do either weekly or monthly updates going forward, but also watch the website tradingideas101.com. Some probably twice a week there I'll have updated statistics on this, but also just random other trading ideas or thoughts on the markets, etc. So if you're interested, check out that website, tradingideas101.com. Take care.